Hey guys, Jessica here. So today we're going to talk about the Medela Symphony and the new kit that we're starting to see for the Medela Symphony that's already out in Australia and is likely to be headed to the US soon. We don't have like a date on that, but we are seeing that the older Medela Symphony kits that are the traditional style have been phased out. So I'm going to show you that kit and I'm going to walk you through some data on how it performs in comparison to the traditional setup. And then we're going to talk about how the new personal fit kit compares to the personal fit hack that we're seeing some people do as we found out about this kit. So first, let's just take a look at the traditional Medela Symphony kit. So you've got a flange that connects directly to the tubing. There's no barrier there. You've got your valve and membrane, and you've got your bottle. Here is the actual barrier that prevents your milk from getting into the Medela Symphony motor. So it's just this thin little diaphragm membrane, and then this sits in the top of the machine, and then there's little posts that this is attached to. So this is the traditional setup. The hack that we're seeing some people do with the Medela Symphony involve taking the traditional kit off and subbing in the personal fit connectors, which do actually use the same size connector. We previously tested this on the Medela Pumping style and the Symphony. This is a problem because now you've got a backflow protector in here and a membrane here. So these two together, what we found is that two different membranes or diaphragms cuts suction. It's not something that you can add additional to. So you want one membrane or one backflow protector in a set. So this one was kind of a fail. So let's look at the updated kit and see what the difference is. So here is the updated kit. This is its own special adapter. It is not the same as the personal fit. Let me pop this open so you can see. This has an integrated diaphragm and backflow protector, or the diaphragm and the valve are all one unit, similar to what we see with the other personal fits, but it's different. It's not the same setup. This is going to be unique to the Symphony. This little case closes shut around it. You've got tubing that connects. And when you get to the part that actually connects with the machine, there's no barrier. It just clips down onto the top. This is a really cool option. And the reason that this is so cool is that ultimately what this does is it allows us to use other kits that have backflow protectors with the Medela Symphony. Now, I have not tested that. Please do not run out, purchase this, cut it right here and attach it to things. But this is standard size tubing, and this tubing is already available on Amazon in the US. But this plastic cap you have to import from Australia, and it may get stuck in customs. So you have to be okay with that because you may be out the money. But I was able to get it here and to get it tested. So let's take a look and see how it performed compared to the traditional kit and compared to the hack. Okay, so first, this is looking at that personal fit kit hack. This is why we didn't recommend it. It drops suction by a little too much. And if you look here where we have this stair-step pattern, it didn't do it consistently and reliably. So this was not a hack that we could recommend. If we go over here and we're looking at the Medela original kit versus the Medela Symphony personal fit kit, yes, the new personal fit kit does cut suction slightly, but it does so in a predictable and somewhat controlled manner, which means for the average user of the Symphony, unless you're using the Symphony all the way on full blast, which I have never seen unless there was bad flange sizing, this should work for you, which means we should be able to use the Medela Symphony in all new ways once this is readily available. And when you compare all three, it's pretty obvious. The personal fit kit hack and the personal fit kit are not the same thing. So we want to make sure that as this comes to the market and as people are learning about this new kit, that they're not confusing it with the personal fit kit that we've had on the Medela Freestyle, the Medela Pumping style, and the Medela Swing Maxi. They're not the same thing. Personal fit is a line now of the different options. And what it seems to mean is we've got that integrated diaphragm and membrane. It's all one piece. We don't have a separate valve, and that it's all closed system, which is really cool because this does mean that you will not get milk into the tubing of the machine. Yes, this barrier over here would stop it from getting into the machine, but it wouldn't stop it from getting into the tubing, which is why we sometimes see moldy symphony tubing. So I think this is going to be a really positive upgrade. Hopefully, it's available sooner rather than later. But once this is available, I think people can be confident in using this kit and knowing that it's really not going to change the use of your symphony by much. It's just going to be a different look than we're used to.